Okay, so on this quick trade, let me kind of show you guys what happened on this one. This was made trade number 7 in a row that I have won for my Telegram group for the futures traders who I send out Telegram signals or Telegram trades on. So as you can see here, this was a simple trade. This thing is still in an uptrend right here. But if I move this down right there, right across there, you'll see that this thing has been respecting my trend line. You can see this blue arrow is where I had entered to trade with the group. And I set the TP right here at the white line, which is right here. And you can see that it's still moving and smashed our TP. So I'm very happy about that. And this is a screenshot of what I sent out to our private Telegram members in my Asian session. And when I say Asian session, because it's not really Asian session anymore, it's any time of day now, since we're not locked into meeting during the Asian session. I can send out my alerts whenever I want. So on this one here, you see I sent it out at 8:32 p.m. And you can see that I said that I'm going to be entering, and I put my stop loss or my sell stop at this number, and I put my TP at 11:60:20, and then I adjusted my right here because I sent out an update because I was noticing that there was a previous level that was respected, so I didn't want to be greedy. And I said that, hey, I'm adjusting my sell limit, which is your take profit in the futures market. If you're new to futures, they don't call it take profit. They call it sell limit, okay, or buy limit. If you're in a sell, if you're in a sell trade, they call it a buy limit. If you're in a buy trade, they call it a sell limit. So limit orders or how you set your TPs. Anyway, I said I'm going to set it at 1.15975, 1.5975, right? So keep that in mind. And as you can see right here in the white, it is 1.15975. And you can see the price action is currently still moving, and it's actually at the previous TP that I had set of 1160 020. So either way it goes, it was only a few ticks away or a few points away, whatever you want to call it. But either way it goes, both of my TPs got hit. Well, whether you went for the bigger one or the white or the adjusted price, either way it goes, right here was our entry. Right here is where price action is, and it smashed TP. So I'm very happy because this is trade number 7 in a row since last week. Oh, hold on. Let me do my hand like this. There you go. 7. 7 in a row. 7 straight trades in a row that we won. I'm so excited for our group. And also, I sent out I traded 2 trades on the copycat as well. And one of them is already closed out in profit, and the other one is running in profit for the copycat group. So either way it goes, whether you're in the copycat group, or in the futures market. So it's up to you. But either way it goes, I just wanted to show you some examples of trades that are running, and you can see this thing is still moving. Okay, 6E is still moving. And so I'm very, very happy about that. It is 3:47 in the morning. You can see the time right here, 3:47. So I'm recording pretty late. I'm going to go back to bed. But I woke up, and it's really, really lovely to take trades before you go to bed. You've seen the timestamp on there was 8:34, and you wake up in profits when you want to wake up and get your little juice in the middle of the night. And oh my God, I've made money. So I'm very excited for the group. So when they wake up, they're going to be happy. Why? Because they're going to be in profit. So again, this is my personal group that I'm trading in for the Asian session. So go to Futrix, FUTTRIX.com. And if you want my personal trade alerts, you're going to sign up for the Asian session. If you want to trade live with Miss Jenny during the New York sessions, then you're going to be signing up for the for the New York session. If you want to be copied on my copycat trades and me and my teams, then go to Super Easy Copycat. Super E as in Echo, Z as in Zebra, Super Easy Copycat.com. All right. And that's for our Forex market, gold market, oil and silver, and indices. Okay. All right, you guys. Peace and hair grease. Thank you for watching my video.